Hello everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome guys, welcome. We had another update today in the market, so let's get right into it. All right, so the Dow guys, Dow was up 81 points for the day. S&P was up 27 points. NASDAQ was up 68 points. And the Russell was up. Russell was down slightly. Not much, 0.68%. All right. So not bad. Good up there in the market. So buy signals are holding. The VIX jump up a bit to 1628, but overall markets are holding up nicely here. The dollar in the futures market is at 97, so it's pulled back a bit. Still consolidating though, guys. Still consolidating within a tight range here. All right, in the dollar index. Currently, the E-minis are down. So E-minis, so the Dow E-minis futures market currently down. Dow is down 96 points. All right, but that should change. Hopefully, change by the morning. Nasdaq is down. S&P is down, and the Russell E-mini is also down. Sectors, let's take a look at the sectors. All right, so tech sector is holding up firm nicely here, looking to break through resistance at 280, 81, 282 right there. Buy signal on the tech sector came in at 218, so 281. That's a nice move there. So tech is continuing to hold nicely there and getting ready to break through a resistance here. The next one, financials. Financials is holding. We're looking for a breakthrough in financials there. Communication services buy signal on that sector was at 99, trading at 118 there. Biotech, nice move in biotech, guys. So our stock boss traders, pay attention to biotech. All right, buy signal was at 83, trading at $120. We do have resistance right at 103 right there in biotech. Okay, gold is holding. Nice move in gold. The ETF GLD and silver. Also the SLV trading nicely there. Okay. Quick look at healthcare. Healthcare, nice big move. Big candle here today. We'll look to get a buy signal on healthcare if it keeps moving. I want to take a look at consumer discretionary. Breaking out here. Buy signal is right here. Buy signal came in at 227. It's breaking out at 239. So overall, sectors are looking good. VIX is at 16. The Max 7s. So NVIDIA, guys, was the made a decent move today. Remember, we have a new buy signal on NVIDIA, guys. That buy signal came in right at 184. Today it broke through, trading at 186. So again, another buy signal on NVIDIA. Previous buy signal did really well. Buy signal was at 122, closed at 168 on the daily time frame. New buy signal on a break of this resistance, 184, trading nicely there. So NVIDIA looks really good right now on the daily time frame. Microsoft, we're waiting for a buy signal in Microsoft, guys. Okay, so we're just waiting for a buy signal in Microsoft. If it can break resistance, we'll get a buy signal. Okay. All right. So buy signal here. We're waiting for. Previous buy signal was here, 432. Sell signal 502. Green candles are coming in. We do have resistance here. We could get a buy signal, guys, somewhere in here or at a minimum on a break of resistance here. So Microsoft looks good for a break and a buy signal. Tesla is moving up nicely there. Okay, so Tesla, guys, our buy signal, we called it right here, moving up nicely. Buy signal came in at 342, trading at 4 44, and that was a high buy signal from the previous buy signal here. Apple, we talked about Apple the other day. Let's take a look. All right, Apple is moving up nicely. All right, good buy signal here at 218, trading at 254. Just remember, we are near the highs here on Apple, so we'll need to break through to see Apple move higher from here. Google, let's take a look. Looks good. We are at a resistance level here. All right, so resistance and support holding right here, all green candles. So that Max 7 stock is holding up nicely there. Meta, Facebook, has a sell signal, so we should be out if we're trading on that daily time frame. All right, so Meta, red candles here. Sell signal came in here, guys, right in here. All right, sellers coming in, we should be out if you're trading with our system and that particular time frame. Amazon, also sell signal in Amazon. So we have red candles, sellers are coming in here. All right, failing to break through resistance or stay above that resistance, we should be out, okay? All right, the MAGs, Magnificent Seven, the ETF. Let's take a look. All right, buy signal is at $50, trading at 64. Looks good there, okay? All right. Let's take a look at the indexes. So the Dow, guys, on the 240, green candles here, all green candles, buyers are in control. All right, so we keep moving higher, right? Good price action. We're at all-time high territory, guys, so still holding those highs. On the 240, Dow on the daily, holding firm. Dow on the weekly, breaking out nicely. You guys can see that there. Dow monthly, right? Nice big candle here for the month. All right, we'll start the new month tomorrow. We'll see what October does. All right, we're getting into that real buying season, guys, fourth quarter, right? October, November, December. So good price action. We'll see if we can move higher for the month of October. The S&P on the 240, right? Nicely done here. Buyers are coming in here, getting ready to break through that resistance, all-time highs. Just an incredible market. S&P on the daily, moving higher there. S&P weekly time frame, moving higher. S&P monthly time frame, right? Nice breakout here on the month. So Dow, S&P is looking really good. The NASDAQ on the 240, right? A bit of a pullback, but holding firm, moving nicely on the 240. All right, daily time frame right here, right? Small bit of a pullback, retrace from the highs, the all-time highs, but still near the all-time highs there for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ really needed a bit of a pullback. Was the big leader for quite some time. All right, NASDAQ on the weekly time frame, look at this. Higher highs, higher lows, guys. Holding firm right here. All green candles. Good price action there. NASDAQ on the monthly time frame holding as well. Take advantage of this market, guys. This will not last long. Okay, we will have another correction. Okay, so while this market is moving higher, this is your opportunity to trade, right? Trade with us, either with Stock Boss for small cap stocks, all right, or Bullmaster for large cap stocks, okay? Russell, right, holding firm here on the 240-minute time frame. Russell on the daily holding firm. Look at the Russell, guys. Russell weekly time frame holding that resistance here, just hugging it nicely here. On the weekly time frame, Russell on the monthly time frame doing really well. All right, Bitcoin, guys, we do have support, so we're forming even more support there at 108. We do have a sell signal in Bitcoin. Bitcoin did make a move back at 113,817. Keep an eye on it. Again, we'll need to get above about 122, 123 to get a new buy signal. All right. So on our time frame with our systems, on the daily time frame, no buy signal on Bitcoin currently. Okay. Let's take a look at gold. All right. Another big move in gold, guys. Gold is trading at 3,800, right? 3,890. Just an amazing move in gold. All right. We're not overbought yet. All right. If we were overbought, we'd get purple support and resistance. So we could see gold move higher, guys. Okay. All right. We'll see. I know a big target for gold is 5,000. We'll see if it can get there. Okay. But 3,890, big move. So 4,000 is getting close. Silver, another big move in silver. All right. Gapped up and looks good, trading at 42. So metals doing really well. Now we talked about this on Sunday. This is silver approaching its I think that was the all-time high. All-time highs on the monthly, which is right about, this was not the closing high. This was just where it reached about, I think we said $50. All right. I'll be curious to see what the price does. Let's do this. If we get to that high here. So this was the last time we made that high. And then we came all the way back down here. Here we are getting to the high. We'll see what happens to the price. All right, if it will come back down just like this, or hopefully consolidate in this range, find new support and resistance, and then finally break through there. Okay, that will be interesting to see there. All right, crude oil, nothing there, guys, in crude oil. Nothing there in crude. Bonds, right? Bonds are just holding $1.98 and pound yen. Pound yen. Guys, we have a red candle in pound yen. All right, so we do have some yen trades, so we might have to close those. We'll take a look. Right now, it's going back and forth between white candles there and red candles. So we'll keep an eye on that. Okay. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look. This is on the 240. Might have to clean things up. EUR, JPY, EUR, JPY, as I thought. All right, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close that trade, please. EUR, JPY. AUD, JPY, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, please. Swiss yen, buy signal. I think we called it right about here. Red candle, white arrow, close the trade, please. We were looking for more for breakout. SGD, JPY, buy signal here. Red candle, close the trade. So Forex is continuing, guys, to struggle. CAD yen, buy signal here, came right back within support and resistance. Close the trade, please. HKD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. So not much of an improvement with Forex. USD, JPY, buy signal here, red candle, white arrow, close the trade, please. Dollar pairs, USD SEK still holding. Dollar CAD is still holding. Buy signal here, all green candles still holding. USD SEK, hold on, right here still holding. Dollar CAD, CZK holding. All right, USD SGD closed. All right, so a buy signal was here, sell signal. Close the trade, please. Dollar Swiss also closed. All right, buy signal here, broke support, sell signal to close the trade. Dollar Swiss. USD DKK. So these pairs are closing, guys. USD DKK. Buy signal here. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. USD HUF. Buy signal here. Sell signal. So nothing there. USD PLN. That's holding for now. And NOK is holding. EUR GBP did close. Okay, so a buy signal was here on EUR GBP on the 240, closed here. We should be out. All right, guys, so just continue to be careful with Forex. You guys know that's been the story for some time now. All right, so no surprise. No surprise there. All right, on the daily time frame here, let's go through Stock Boss. The market was up today, so let's see here. Green candles will continue to hold. White arrows will sell. Red candles will sell. Okay. All right. This is in Stock Boss, so small cap stocks. Nice move here. Good. All green candles is what we want to see. Good. You guys can see that there on your screen. Right over here. Alrighty. COMM, good trade here, guys. That closed today. Buy signal was at 584, right about there. All right. Broke support at 1514. Good trade there. Should be out now. Let's close that trade. COMM. Holding. All right, EB closed, guys. EB buy signal was at 281, closed at 252. Close the trade, please. EB. All green candles here. So small caps are holding up nicely, guys. White candles we can still hold, given the fact that this market is still very strong, getting into the fourth quarter here. All right. So great price action. In Stock Boss Bull Master, let's take a look. Same process. Looking for green candles. Good. White candles, again, will continue to hold since this market is bullish. We want to look at the last candle, guys. The last candle, okay? All right. All right, that's it. That was quick, huh? Quick look again. Just making sure. Didn't miss anything. Really good price action, guys, in large cap stocks in Bull Master. These are over $10, okay? All right, so that's correct. All righty. We might be done early this evening. All right, so no changes really in Bull Master. A few changes in Stock Boss. Let's see. Let's run it. So Stock Boss, let's see what the market did today. All right, so 88, guys. We have 88 stocks in Stock Boss. That's not bad. Bull Master, let's run it here. 117. So 117 in Bull Master, not bad. All right, not bad. We did have a couple of trades in the E-mini. So the US 30 long, we don't have a trade. I think we had a trade in the NAS. Okay. So in the NAS 100, we had a buy signal here on the 60-minute time frame. Guys, that closed. Okay, so broke support, red candle, we should be out. And we also had one on the S&P right here, S&P, good markdown phase, buy signal was here and hit support with a sell signal here. So we should be out of those, both the NAS and the S&P, okay? Quick look at Monster Scalper. We have some selling coming in there. Let's take a look at the shorts. All right, these shorts are not ready, guys, so just be careful. I know it's red. These yen pairs are red, but it's not ready yet. Dollar pairs, they're red, but they're not ready. Be careful with those. All right, that's selling. I think that's deceiving there. All right, we do have decent amount of volatility, right? But 50% volatility, but no, not, we have some direction here, right? So dollars down, yen is down, euro, they're up, but that's just on the radar. Price action doesn't say much there for us, okay? A quick look at Forex Dominator. Look at Aussie New Zealand in Forex Dominator. I think that's the number one trade in Forex Dominator there. All righty. All right, guys. We'll call it a short evening. We don't have much this evening. On Thursday, we'll look at equities. We'll look to add equities. Okay. But we don't have much. We don't have much today. So we'll call it give you guys a break this evening. Call it an early night. And I'll see everyone on tomorrow when we do Q&A. Okay, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. Take care. Still long, right? We're still long. Forex, be careful.